Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Python Django framework project by using PyCharm Community Edition. After you watching this video, you will be able to run project only just by a mouse click. So I hope you like this video. So I already assume you have PyCharm Community Edition. So if you haven't, let me show you how to download it. So I'm going to type PyCharm. Please click this link, PyCharm Community Edition. And you can go there. So this is the PyCharm Professional Edition. It has a free 30-day trial. So we don't want that. We have to select this one, PyCharm Community Edition. So download it and install it on your PC. This is a very straightforward process. So you will be able to simply install PyCharm Community Edition on your system. So I will attach this link in video description. If you have hard time to get this one, I will include this URL in video description. So go there, not this one, this one. Okay. Now I'm going to open up my PyCharm Community Edition. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to name this as YouTube Django. If you have already this is checked, please make sure to uncheck it. So I'm going to create this one. This will create a virtual environment automatically. Now I'm going to create a project. So you can click this terminal, open up. Now I'm going to type pip freeze. So this is showing we haven't installed any Python modulo library yet. So we will install Python Django framework. To install Python Django framework, use this command pip install Django. Let me clear this up, and I'm going to enter this command again, pip freeze. So we can see Django framework is already installed. in our virtual environment. So now we have to create our project. To create our project, we can use this command. I name this project as my project. You can name it whatever you want. Hit enter. So you can see here we have already created our project. So I'm going to move to that directory, my project directory. So I am in that directory, my project directory. I can make sure manage.py file here. So I'm going to clear the screen. Now I'm going to create a new app. To do that, I'm executing this command, Python manage.py start app. I'm going to name this as my app. You can name it whatever you want. So you can see over here that my app is already created. So now I have to register this app in my settings.py file. So you remember we have already created this my project. In this directory we have this settings.py file. I'm going to that file. In here we have to register our app. So we have to register our app in here, install apps. So I'm going to attach it. Our app name is my app, so I'm type my app. If your name is different than my name, please make sure to put it here. So now I have to go to this my app. Please right click on here and new file. Name this as urls.py. So new file is created in this directory, my app. Now I'm going to my project urls.py app. We don't need this comment, so I'm going to remove it. And we have to include this one, include, and I'm going to type path include. I'm going to include my app and urls.py file. So I'm going to type my app.urls. So do the same. Now I'm going to select all and copy, and I'm going to head back over to this urls.py in my app directory. So paste it. We don't need this admin import statement. I'm going to cut it out. And we don't need this include and I'm going to get rid of this and path views dot home name home. We still not create this view yet, we will, but follow along with me. So go to your my app directory, right click on it and new directory. I'm going to name this directory as templates. In this directory, I'm going to create another directory. I'm going to name this as my app. So your application is different than mine. Please make sure to put it here. So my app is my app. I'm going to create a HTML file in here. I name this as home. So give any title you want. Hello world. So we have this template. This is a basics template. Now I'm going to views.py file in my app directory, views.py file. So in here we have to define a function. My function is called as home request return render request. Our template name is in this directory my app and home.html, and I'm going to pass our context dictionary, and now we have this home function, home view. I'm going to copy it. So head back over to this my app urls.py file. Now we have this home view. So we have to import these views in our urls.py file. To do that, let's type from import views. Dot main in this directory. So urls.py file is also in this views.py file directory. So we created our view and we created this URL. So run our project, we have to go to our terminal and execute some commands, but now I'm going to show you without executing these commands. We can use this run button to run our Python project. So let's do that. Click here and you have to go to this run section and click this edit configurations. Okay, so nothing in here. I'm going to click this add new run configuration and select Python. I'm going to name this as application. In here, please click this, and we need to give this manage.py file directory in my project, manage.py file, and hit OK. So script parameters, I'm going to type run server. Okay, please do what I just done and hit OK. Now please click this run application button, this green button. Now you can see our application is running. I'm going to click this. So we have successfully created our application and our view is also working. So you can see we only have to click this green button to run our application. We don't need to run our application by executing Python manage.py run server command, which is actually very great. So I'm going to stop this server, development server, and you can also debug our application by doing this. I'm going to views.py file, and I'm going to set up a breakpoint. So this is how you're doing that. You have to come here, and this red dot, you can click this and it will set up a breakpoint. Now you have to click this debug button, so green bug, please click this and it will debug our application. So click this. You can see it here, our application is debugging. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit like button and subscribe to my channel. So thanks again.